How to enable safe search on Google Chrome Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and once you do that, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings. And once you're here, you want to click on safety check from the basics section. Then click on safe browsing. And here you will be able to activate the safe search / browsing feature by choosing one of the first or second option. So it's either the enhanced protection or the standard protection, wherever suits you the best. And as you can see, Google Chrome tells you everything that each feature has and will allow you to do. So choose whichever option suits you. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and turn on the safe search option on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.